Hello guys, this is how to use ChatGPT mobile. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So currently ChatGPT doesn't have an Android mobile app. So you're going to go ahead and open up ChatGPT on your browser just by typing in ChatGPT and you'll be opened up on this page. So we're going to go ahead and click sign up, put in our email address, click on continue. Then we're going to create a password and click continue. And then verification email should be sent to your email address. And once you go ahead and open up your email, you will click on verify email. And then once that is done, you should come back to the login page right there. Then we're going to go ahead and click login, put in our email address and the password we had created. And then we're going to input those details, name, and then we're going to input our number. Then a code should be sent via SMS, and we're going to input that code right there. And our account should be created. Let's wait for that page to load in. There we go. So go ahead and read all that and click next. Click next. And then we're done. So right there, we have examples of the prompts that we can put into ChatGPT, ChatGPT's capabilities, as well as the limitations. So we're gonna just test out a prompt. Let's see. Say, write me a haiku about the forest. Let's make a correction right there. And then continue. And then ChatGPT should give you a response. Let's go ahead and try something else. Write me a 300-word essay about global warming. And ChatGPT should issue out a response right there. So you have an introduction, you have impacts, and then you have a conclusion. And then if you're not happy, there's a little cycling icon there. You can click on that to regenerate a response, and it's gonna regenerate a response if you're not happy with the first one. And it's gonna come up with an entirely new essay using the same prompt that you had prompted before. And then there's a clipboard icon there. You can click that to copy that to your clipboard. And then the plus icon just opens up a new chat. Then you can start a new prompt. The 3 dashes just shows your prompt history, all the things that you've put into ChatGPT. And that is how you use ChatGPT on mobile. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.